So the entire internet was going insane because Xiaomi and Samsung earlier mocked Apple for removing bundled charger from iPhone 12 series retail boxes, and now suddenly Samsung decided not to include the charger with its Galaxy S21 series. But on the other hand, Xiaomi surprised us by offering Mi 11 with and without charger at the same price. That's a really smart move which I think Apple could have implemented in their iPhone 12 series, and it's really good to see how they are considering environmental protection, but they could have thought twice before trolling Apple. The Mi 11 price, specs and design have been finally announced at the event in China as promised, which shows the phone is debuting Snapdragon 888 chipset. It is rocking 6.81-inch AMOLED Quad HD Plus display with 120Hz refresh rate and a punch hole cutout at the top left corner housing 20-megapixel selfie camera. The display of Mi 11 offers DCI P3 color gamut as well as supports HDR10 Plus motion estimation and motion compensation that was featured earlier on the OnePlus 8 Pro. There is also Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection on top and 8192 levels of brightness adjustments. Xiaomi claims that the Mi 11 has already achieved A+ rating from Screen Analysis Frame Display Mate. However, the rear camera module looks pretty unique, which features a 108-megapixel primary sensor, 13-megapixel ultra-wide angle, and a 5-megapixel telephoto macro sensor. The Mi 11 also packs 8K recording and a night video mode for brighter low-light video. Apart from this, the phone comes with a 4600 mAh battery with 55-watt wired charging, 50-watt wireless charging, and 10-watt reverse wireless charging support. Moving on to the price, the base variant will cost around $610. One with 256GB of storage will cost around $657, and the one with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage will be available at approximately $720. The phone implements Godox's latest optical fingerprint scanner, and according to scanner's maker, it even supports heart rate monitoring, but Xiaomi said nothing about such a feature on stage. With being said that, the phone comes in black, white, blue, khaki vegan leather, smoke purple color option, and a special edition with Legend's autograph for some reason. While the announcement we saw only one phone, but later in the 2021 we hope to see the Pro version of this phone with a periscope lens as some early renders suggested, as well as improved main camera. Its pre-order has already started, with the first sale scheduled for the January 1, 2021, welcoming a happy new year. So that's the key specs of the latest flagship of Xiaomi. Let me know your thoughts about this phone, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.